Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are doing well. So today our topic is frog, but before getting straight into the topic of frog, let's get an overview of cellular organization. You have studied about different mode of organization, for example cellular organization, colonial organization, and in the last multicellular organization. So in multicellular organization we have discussed that the organisms in multicellular organization are made up of or consist of tissues, organs and organ system. So in the last lecture you have discussed the example of multicellular organization, which was mustard plant. So the frog is another example of multicellular organization, and this is our today's topic. So the frog, scientific name of frog is Rana tigrina. It shows multicellular organization. That means when we are saying that it shows multicellular organization, then it means that it consists of tissues, organs and organ system. So this is high type of organization. Now the body structure. We are going to discuss about the body structure of frog. It is made up of organ systems, and each organ system is consist of related organs. All organs are made up of specific tissues. Okay, in this slide they are saying that as we all know that in the multicellular organization, the organs are made up of tissues, specific type of tissues. So different type of tissues are combined together and form an organ. अच्छा, जैसे हमने पढ़ा था मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कि किस तरह से, उसके अलावा भी हमने ये चीज़ पढ़ी ही हुई है कि किस तरह से हमारे पास डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज़ मिलकर एक ऑर्गन बनाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स मिलकर हमारे पास एक स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं, जो वो बनाते हैं एक ऑर्गन सिस्टम. यहाँ पर उन्होंने इसको ब्रेक डाउन किया हुआ है इन सिंपलर वर्ड्स कि उन्होंने कहा है कि एक बॉडी फ्रॉग की जो है वो कंसिस्ट करती है ऑन डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स, एंड डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स आर कंसिस्ट ऑफ रिलेटेड ऑर्गन्स. एंड आफ्टर डैट अगर हम ऑर्गन को ब्रेक डाउन करें तो ईच ऑर्गन कंसिस्ट ऑफ स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज़. अब उन्होंने कुछ हमें स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज़ की काइंड्स बताई हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, ग्लैंडुलर टिश्यू, muscular tissue and nervous tissue, etc. Moving further, some organs and organ systems of frog are explained in next slide. Students, so now we are going to have an overview of anatomy of frog. You will have an detailed and in-depth discussion on anatomy of frog while having your practicals. But for now, we are going to have a quick overview of this diagram. So in the very first, we have truncus arteriosus. It is a tube. It is a tube that collect impure blood from all over the body parts of frog and then pour the impure blood into the right atrium. Then we have left atrium and ventricle. These are the parts of frog, of the heart of frog. Then we have in the right side we have lung, stomach, pancreas, spleen, small intestine and artery. Okay, these are the parts of frog. Then we have liver. In the left side we have liver, vein, kidney, urinary bladder and the last large intestine. So these are the parts of frog, body parts of frog. We can say organs of frog. Okay students, if we are going to have an example of multicellular organization of frog, as we know that frog comes under the category of multicellular organization, then we can take the example of circulatory system. We have blood, veins and arteries. These are the organs of circulatory system, and we can prominently have labeled the organs of organ system for example, the organ system, that is digestive system, we have lungs, stomach, pancreas, spleen, small intestine and artery. इसमें हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि जैसे हम लोगों के पास एक ऑर्गन सिस्टम आता है, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ फ्रॉग, ठीक है। तो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ फ्रॉग में हमारे पास है लंग, स्टमक, पेनक्रियाज, स्प्लीन एंड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। ये हमारे ऑर्गन्स हैं जो साथ मिलकर फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं और हमारे पास फॉर्मुलेट कर रहे हैं एक ऑर्गन सिस्टम को। तो इसी तरह से हमारे पास बाकी भी ऑर्गन्स हैं दैट कंबाइन टुगेदर एंड perform a certain function that makes an organ system. So in this way you can recognize and I hope you understand the multicellular organization, how this is formed. For example, in digestive system, if we further break down the organs, for example, stomach, we have stomach consists of various tissues, for example, epithelial tissue, glandular tissue and muscular tissue. Okay, understand. In this way we are going to we have discussed the multicellular organization, and in this way frog is an excellent example of multicellular organization. And you all of you know that frog resembles the organs and organ systems and all the parts of internal parts of frog resemble human internal parts. Thank you. So in the last, we you can have to write a you can have the question of frog, like write a note on frog. It can be a short question or it can be a part of long question. Thank you.